In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly add a form block to your webpage and customize it to suit your needs. We'll also cover how to set up your form storage so all your submissions are neatly organized, and finally how to publish the changes for everyone to see. Whether you're building a website from scratch or just enhancing an existing page, this guide will equip you with the tools to engage with your audience effectively. Let's get started by editing the page where you'd like to add the form block. Open your website editor and navigate to the page in question. Once you're in edit mode, you'll find a selection of elements you can add to your page. Our focus today is on adding a form block, so locate the Add Form Block option. This option might be located within a menu of different blocks or modules, so look for something labeled Form or similar. Once you've found it, go ahead and select it. Adding the form block is just the beginning. Now we need to make it functional and align it with the unique style and purpose of your web page. Customization is key here. Begin by determining what information you need from your audience. Most form builders allow you to modify fields or even add a brand new one. You might want to include fields like name, email, phone number, or any specific queries related to your services. Ensure the fields are clearly labeled and easy to understand. While customizing, you can also adjust the design and layout of your form to match the visual aesthetic of your site. Take advantage of different font styles, colors, and button designs, ensuring your form is not only functional but also appealing. Remember, a visually consistent form helps in maintaining the professionalism and polish of your website. Once your form looks just right, it's essential to decide where you want to store the responses. Many form builders offer integrations with various storage solutions, be it a simple email inbox, a spreadsheet, or even a dedicated database software. Choose a storage solution that aligns well with how you plan to use the collected data. For example, if quick response times are crucial, setting notifications to your email might be optimal. On the other hand, if you require a more detailed analysis, exporting to a spreadsheet could be advantageous. After setting up the storage, it's time to save all these changes. Double check everything. Make sure the fields collect the correct data, the storage is properly configured, and the overall design flows well with your website. Once satisfied, save your progress. And lastly, let's not forget the all-important step of publishing these changes. Publishing will make the form live and visible to your audience. Depending on your platform, this might be as simple as clicking a publish button or confirming that all elements are updated. Once published, take a moment to view your page as a site visitor would. This ensures everything functions as intended and is aesthetically pleasing. In summary, you've successfully added and customized a form block, set up storage for submissions, and published the changes. This form will facilitate better interactions with your audience and can be a vital tool for collecting valuable user information. Thank you for watching, and remember to keep your audience in mind when customizing your forms.